Camper van quilt patterns capture something magical: the spirit of adventure, the freedom of the open road, and a nostalgic connection to simpler times. These charming designs transform fabric into miniature tributes to wanderlust, creating cozy reminders of road trips and sunny getaways. The Camper Van Quilt Pattern by Tilda's World takes quilters on a nostalgic journey back to the relaxed hippie era and sunny seaside vacations. This design showcases iconic camper vans as the stars of the show, with some blocks featuring tiny trailers or whimsical flower motifs that enhance the vintage aesthetic. The finished quilt measures 58 inches by 73 3/4 inches, creating a generous size perfect for snuggling under while dreaming of future adventures. For those who want to extend the camper van theme beyond the bed, the Camper Van Pillows quilt pattern offers the perfect companion project. These delightful accent pieces measure 21 3/4 inches by 16 3/4 inches, making them ideal for sofas, chairs, or even displaying in a camper van itself. The pillows mirror the whimsical aesthetic of the full-sized quilt, featuring the same vintage-style camper van as a focal point. Hit the open road with Pan America, a generous 60 by 80-inch quilt inspired by vintage automotive charm and cross-country travels. Iconic camper vans and buggies climb through clever patchwork hills, creating a vibrant, retro-modern scene that captures the freedom of a summer getaway. This adventurous design is the perfect project for anyone dreaming of their next great road trip. Celebrate the quirky charm of outdoor living with camping, a whimsical design featuring a bustling gypsy camp filled with vintage caravans and colorful tents. This scrap-friendly project is packed with storytelling details like tiny clotheslines and beach signs, all framed by a playful border of bunting flags. It's a heartwarming handmade tribute that perfectly captures the relaxed, sun-drenched spirit of a holiday by the sea. Creating a camper van quilt offers the perfect opportunity to experiment with playful geometry and vibrant outdoorsy color palettes. Whether choosing a simple design for a first attempt or tackling an intricate scene filled with details, the process of stitching these iconic vehicles into fabric form becomes its own journey. The finished quilts keep the spirit of adventure alive, serving as daily reminders that the open road is always calling. Ready for more adventurous quilting inspiration? Visit ilovequiltingforever.com for even more fun and creative camper van quilt patterns.